When you unpack your Deluxe Mega Wheel, remove the manila envelope which contains the manual, the restore disc, and the toolkit. The kit contains 4 1/4 bolts, 2 spare silver bolts, and 2 Allen wrenches, a disc, and a deluxe dongle. It is strongly recommended to have 2 people help with the installation, as you will see later. First, you need to unplug the power from the machine. Using the 3/32 Allen wrench, remove the mesh screen. The 3/32 wrench is only used with the mesh screen. Unplug the power cable and the ground wire from the marquee. Now using the 5/32 Allen wrench, which will be our primary tool for the installation of the Mega Wheel, remove the 8 bolts from the existing marquee. Unpack the new Mega Wheel and remove the base using the Allen wrench supplied. Install the base on top where the marquee was mounted. The base is mounted using 4 1/4 bolts provided with the kit into the counterboard holes as shown. Remove the 6 screws from the top of the new Mega Wheel and install the original marquee on top. First, plug in the 3-pin AC plug. Line up the holes and then bolt the original marquee to the top of the new Mega Wheel housing using the same 6 bolts. Lift the wheel on top of the game and line it up on the base for installation. Feed cables for power and ground through the left hole. Feed the wheel harness, including USB cable, through the right hole. Install the bolts from the new wheel base to secure the wheel housing. Plug in the power from the marquee and ground wire. Slide out the computer, and the harness goes behind the computer to the bottom of the cabinet. The wheel harness is plugged in at the bottom of the cabinet. The connectors located on the shorter side of the harness go to the bottom right connectors, red to red, blue to blue. The connectors with the longer part of the harness go to the connectors on the bottom left. Secure the wheel harness to the existing harness in the cabinet using cable ties included in the kit. Plug in the USB cable and the Deluxe dongle in the back of the computer. It is important to note that the Deluxe dongle is in addition to the pre-existing dongle, leaving 2 plugged in side by side. Please make note of your settings prior to installing the new software, as your settings will not be saved. Plug the power cable into the back of the game and start the machine. Insert the software update CD and restart the computer to begin the installation. Leave the tray that the computer is on out of the cabinet so the CD can eject. Once the software update is complete, remove the disk and restart the computer. Close the cabinet and reinstall the mesh screen. Once the game is up and running, press the diagnostic button of the programming panel to enter the service menu. Use volumes plus and minus to move the cursor. Press the start button to select menu options. Choose System Test menu and enter Wheel Spin Test. Wheel Spin Test will allow you to verify that the wheel values are accurate.